morning, welcome back to BTHQ Banter. Week, what week are we on? 28. Ooh, I'm gonna have to look it up. I think it's 28, hang on. No, it's week 29. Welcome back to BTHQ Banter, week 29. It's already 11:30 on Saturday and we are in full flow. As you can see behind me, everyone is busy interfacing and cutting out their fabrics for their Annette Commuter Tote, because look who's here.
Hello.
Oh, you're all out of focus. There we go. Sian's here and everyone is busy cutting out. We've got Annette Commuter Totes in unit 1, Annette Commuter Totes in unit 2, and over here Suzanne and Edith are busy doing NCWs. Is it lined up, Lorraine?
I'm going to really mess with your brains when I get you to say just these together. It's going to freak you out.
It does, doesn't it? This does. This you like. This doesn't.
What's this?
It doesn't. Your brain doesn't work at how it's supposed to. You know, you look at this and go, yeah, no, that's completely wrong.
Yeah, I've just done that in my zipper pocket. I was like, what the rip?
No.
So day 1 is over. I haven't picked the camera up much today because obviously I've been busy sewing myself. But just so things are nice again when we come in the morning. Isn't Elspeth lovely? She's putting the hoover around.
It's lovely.
So it's all nice and fresh for you all. Say hello, everybody. Hello. They're all just having a natter before going home for a bite to eat, and we will see you again tomorrow. It's a lovely morning on Sunday at BTHQ, especially when you find your regulars deadheading the hanging baskets. Good job, Suzanne.
Thank you.
These don't need doing, I don't think. Mum has given me instructions that they need to be watered, but they're actually looking incredibly healthy. Just a bit of video evidence, Mum. Mum did those too, yeah. We have to look after those. It's a bit of a rainy day today. Oh, here comes Lorraine. It's obviously been raining overnight, but it's really nice and fresh actually. We're all ready for day 2. Good morning, welcome back to BTHQ Banter. It is Sunday and we are back for day 2 of our Kittenish Behaviour workshop. So I thought I should wear my Kittenish Behaviour dress. It isn't actually a Kittenish Behaviour dress, obviously it is Lady V, but I just couldn't resist it with these lovely little pussycats, and it's Sian's perfect blue. So when she gets here, I have a feeling she may strip me naked. That was unnecessary, Elspeth. We got our first finished NCW. Where? Ooh.
So what you want to do is you want to take
Oh, that's so pretty, Suzanne.
long ones, very close to it,
I love it.
and you're going to post that down like this.
Look at that.
And you're going to take one of the short ones, and then
That is stunning. I love it. Well done.
that's what you're looking for. So you're going to do that with all of them.
So Suzanne and Edith snuck onto today to make an NCW because we had some space. Unfortunately, we have got another class in October. Sian is back, but at the moment it is fully booked. But if you'd like to make an NCW, you can let me know in the comments and I will obviously add you to the waiting list. Otherwise, Sian's tutorial is fantastic online. You can go and do it. It's free of charge. But if you want to do it with her holding your hand, then obviously let us know. And if we get enough people interested, we'll get her back.
Yeah, I did mine. The look of concentration on my face was so attractive. There's actually one bit where I actually cropped my face out because it was just like, how many double chins can one person have? That's the least flattering camera angle ever. No one needs to see that.
How do you how?
You do. Once you get the bottom through.
Oh. The trouble is then, if you've screwed it up and you need to go back in and fix it, you've got to reverse engineer the whole thing, haven't you?
Let's hope you're not screwed up. It'll be fine.
The zip that will be.
The zip was fine. I just because it's such a
It's only because you said yesterday this way.
I knew I'd caught the zip.
Where?
Right here.
Right, okay, so don't take it all the way back through. Because you've got to top stitch this next. Yeah. And you actually need to top stitch it with the bag lining under the presser foot. So you're going to need to turn this inside out. Yeah. But yeah, just with that one.
It's literally 2 little stitches.
So unpick, there's an unpick here, and
you've got a good one there.
Yeah, unpick, and then well, it does up. Not sure it does up all that well, but it does up.
I made a bag. Look, a real big bag. I'm very pleased with my bag. The top stitching is a little bit wibbly wobbly if you look at it closely, but who cares? It works.
So I finished my bag and decided that I would make some pants, as you do. What do you reckon? Thought I'd flash my seagulls at you.
Good morning, welcome back to BTHQ Banter. It is Monday. Last night Elspeth and I managed to put Unit 2 back to normal, which was really nice. Everybody finished at 5 o'clock and went home. Most people went home with almost finished bags. There was 3 of us who did finish. Everyone else has nearly done, and some of them I know are going to come in during this week to get them finished off. So it was really lovely having Sian here again. I'm really looking forward to her coming back in October, and I actually think I will buy the materials, cut out and sew another Annette Commuter Tote. And I do need to do it quite quickly, because that's the thing, you do classes, don't you, and then you make a lovely thing and then you don't necessarily make them again. And actually it was really enjoyable. And having seen other people's ones that they made and different things that they used to make theirs makes me start to think, maybe I could do things slightly differently. Anyway, Unit 1 is still a little bit of a mess. As you can see, there's still stuff lying around. It still needs a bit of a titivate and a hoover. My lovely mum has got the day off today, which is just typical after a really busy weekend here. So I'm going to have to do all the housework. So I'm going to do that this morning. I've got a few admin jobs to do. I've got the lovely Tim coming in a minute for a quick workout. And then this afternoon I'm going to go home and actually do some unpacking, because I've yet to unpack from my holidays. It's all crazy. I don't think I'm going to come back on here today. I might. I've got a tiny weeny bit of sewing to do, so I might show you what I've made, but we'll see. I will just show you these though, because I finished them off this morning before getting started on tidying up. These are the Megan Nielsen Acacia pants. They are designed, as you can see, to have a knicker elastic or fold over elastic, but I thought I would try and make a pair and put some bands on, and I'm pleased to say it works. I've put a nice wide waistband on here and some narrower ones around the leg. I was silly, I meant to cut this out of seagulls and I didn't. I cut it out of the grey, but that's all right. I still think it looks pretty cool. Yeah, I will model them for one of my what I've been sewing videos. Also, I wanted to just add, I'm actually using my lovely Annette Commuter Tote as my commuting bag. So all my stuff goes backwards and forwards to work in it, because my NCW that I made with Sian back in October just hangs here on show, looking pretty, and I don't actually use it, and that's a shame. So I thought I would start using my bag and start as I mean to go on. Okay, I'm all clean, I'm all tidy, I've admined. I'm going to go and get my talons sorted out, pick the kids up from school and become a mum again for the afternoon. Tomorrow is a busy day. We've got lots of people in doing lots of different classes, so I will come back to you in the morning. See you later. Good afternoon and welcome back to BTHQ Banter. It is now 12:30 on Tuesday. We've been so busy this morning that I completely and utterly forgot to pick up the camera. So we've got a really busy day, lots of people in and out. Let me show you who's here. First up we've got Debbie and Mum. Mum, why have you got your sunglasses on?
I've been outside heading.
Oh, okay. Mum's helping Debbie with a pattern, doing a little bit of crochet. She's going to take her home. You can borrow her, that's fine. Rochelle's come in and she has made this lovely backpack this morning with me, but she's got a little bit of extra childcare time, so she's having a bit of a cheeky sew and cracking on. Oh, look, she's got me all lined up there. Yeah. She's cracked me up, there we are. She's having a little cheeky sew. Cheeky sew. That looks really good like that. Sewing my little tissue pouch tutorial, which you can find on YouTube. And then Teresa and the lovely Bev have come in and they've just arrived. You're the lovely Bev. And they're going to be making some of our reusable paper kitchen towel. And I almost forgot, next door, Marie's here. Say hello, Marie. She's been busy gluing and sticking all morning. She's having a little go at our Fabro-Page bowls, which are lots of fun to make. So she's having a lovely time getting all gluey and sticky and chilling out in Unit 2. So Marie's finished one of her bowls. She's going to finish the other one at home, but it's a bit soggy at the moment, so you need to let it dry. So here we go. Aren't they cute? It's a great way of using up all your little fabric scraps and enjoying a little bit of me time at the same time. So at the end of another super busy day today, loads of people in doing lots of different things. I like a busy day like that here. I am heading on the school run now. Again, I've got my commuter tote packed full of all my bits and bobs. I'm loving using this bag. I'm actually going fabric shopping tomorrow, which is exciting. It's going to be my last chance to get any fabric before the summer holidays. So I'm actually going to see if I can get some other bits and pieces to make another one of these quick smart before it leaves my head. So I'll see you again tomorrow. We've got a class tomorrow morning. We've got 3 lovely students in, including Elspeth. She's trouble when she's a pupil. And they're going to be making the drawstring backpacks, and then tomorrow afternoon I'm off to Walthamstow Market, which I will vlog for you as well. So I shall see you then. Bye! Good morning, it is Wednesday and I've woken up with a stinking cold. That's the karma, isn't it, for going on holiday and chilling out. It is 9:20. I've come in to the mess that I left yesterday. I was so busy sewing and making and creating that I completely let the time run away with me. So I've got to tidy up the mess in Unit 1 and also in Unit 2 because I've got the ladies arriving for classes in 40 minutes. We've just got classes this morning. We're making our drawstring backpack. We've got 3 lovely ladies doing that. And then this afternoon, Elspeth and I are off to Walthamstow. I'm not sure if I'm going to vlog because I'm really not feeling it, but we'll see. Yeah, that's me. No worries, you're welcome. Bye then. Is there an Elspeth takeover going on?
The first 2 people to arrive at BTHQ this morning seem to have matching bags. I can't think why that might be. Sian.
What you done, Elspeth?
I've made a thing.
You made a thing, show us your
Another
thing.
I made another bag.
Ooh. It's got nothing in it though, so it needs to be.
It has.
It needs some stuff in it.
Excuse me, it's got stuff in it.
Come on in.
It's got my keys in it.
Oh, in a little pocket that isn't in the pattern that you decided you were going to add.
Yes.
Tina's putting hers on. Give us a spell. You've got to pull it up first, Tina. It looks like a Superman cape at the moment. Tina the superhero. There we go.
Multi-purpose.
Awesome. And Carol's made a lovely one too. She's got some of our flowery fabric. Give it a draw up, Carol. Ta-da! Lovely. They're awesome. Well done, guys. So, what a lovely morning at BTHQ. We've made our backpacks and Elspeth and I are now heading off to do our fabric shopping for the afternoon. So I hope you've enjoyed this week. I will be uploading as always on Monday and Wednesday, and I have an exciting tutorial coming for you on Wednesday. So do make sure you hit that big subscribe button and give the videos a big thumbs up. I will see you all again at the same time next week. Bye!